For today, we're going to discuss factoring quadratic trinomials of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is greater than 1. Okay, take note this time. Okay, yung value na ni a ay mas mataas kay 1. So, here are the steps in factoring quadratic trinomial where a is greater than 1. So, first is check for GCF. So, dun sa given, check mo muna yung number tsaka variable, baka meron silang common factor. Okay, kailangan ipa-factor out mo muna yon. Now, kung sakaling wala naman or kung sakaling na-factor out mo na din, the second one that you need to do is to identify the values of A, B, and C. Okay? Then, after identifying the values of A, B, and C, meron tayong method na tinatawag na borrow and payback. So, kapag mag-solve na tayo, malalaman nyo kung paano to ginagawa. First given, we have 3x squared plus 7x plus 2. So, the first step is check first if the given has a common factor. So, sa numerical coefficient, we have 3, 7, and 2. May common factor ba? Okay, wala. How about with the variables? Okay, wala din. So, kung wala naman silang common factor, ang gagawin na natin, second step, we're going to identify the values of A, B, and C. So, in this given, A is 3, B is 7, C is 2. Okay? Then, after identifying the values of A, B, and C, dito na tayo sa borrow and payback method. So, una, borrow. So, when we say borrow, di ba, manghihiram ka. Now, dito sa given, sino ba yung magbaborrow? Ang magbaborrow dito ay si C, yung value ni C. Now, ano ang hihiramin niya? Hihiramin niya muna yung value ni A. Okay? So, now, pag manghihiram si C, okay, ang gagawin na method doon ay multiply. Okay, so it means that you're going to multiply the value of A and the value of C. So, A is 3, C is 2. So, multiply lang natin. 3 times 2, that is equal to 6. Okay? So, now, since binaro muna ni C yung value ni A, so, ang magiging equation na natin dyan ay x squared plus 7x plus 6. Magiging 6 na siya. Okay? Now, if you will notice, diba, after mag-borrow ni C, yung value na ngayon ni A natin ay 1. Tama? So, since 1 na yung value ni A, ibig sabihin, pwede na ulit natin dito i-apply yung rule sa factoring wherein A equals 1. So, therefore, focus na tayo kay C. So, again, ano ba yung mga dalawang numbers wherein if you multiply those numbers, the answer is 6. So, we can have 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. Okay? Then, after that, anong gagawin natin ngayon sa mga numbers? Add or subtract? We will add them. Bakit natin i-add? Kasi positive C. So, 1 plus 6, we have 7. 2 plus 3, we have 5. Now, saan dito lumabas yung value ni B? Okay, kay 1 and 6. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung gagamitin natin na factors. Okay? Eh, diba, kapag positive si C, ibig sabihin yung factors natin either both positive or both negative. And saan tayo magbe-base nun? Dun sa value ni B, sa sign ni B. So, since yung sign ni B ay positive, ibig sabihin yung both factors natin are positive. So, we have here x plus 1 and x plus 6. Okay. Now, kung na-factor mo na, hindi pa ito yung final answer, ha? Hindi pa ito yung final answer kasi, diba, ang ginawa pala natin, nag-borrow. Eh, syempre, diba, kapag nanghiram ka, kailangan ibabalik mo yon. So, this time, kapag nakuha mo na tong factors na to, nandito ka na sa step na to, ang gagawin mo na dito ay yung payback na. So, ano yung payback? Divide second terms with the value of A. So, kabaliktaran na, di ba? Kung dun sa borrow, nag-multiply tayo, dito naman sa payback, magdi-divide tayo. Ano i-divide natin? Yung mga second terms. So, dito kay x plus 1, ang second term ay si 1. Kay x plus 6, ang second term ay si 6. So, saan natin sila parehong i-divide? Dun sa value ni A. So, ibig sabihin, since diba dito, hiniram natin si 3, so, syempre, this time, ibabalik din natin si 3. So, divide them by 3. Okay, now, yung 1 over 3, pwede pa bang ma-divide? Hindi na, diba? Kasi naka-simplest form na siya. So, as is. How about 6 over 3? Pwede pa? Okay, kasi yung 6 divided by 3, magiging equal to kay 2. Okay? So, therefore, since naging equal to kay 2, magiging x plus 2 na siya. How about this one? Okay? Now, kung nung nag-divide na tayo, okay, yung denominator natin is not equal to 1, okay, kung hindi na siya pwedeng ma-simplify pa, ang gagawin nyo lang is to simply put, okay, the denominator in front of x. Ibig sabihin, magiging numerical coefficient sa ni x. Kaya, magiging 3x plus 1. Okay? Now, kapag nakapag-payback na tayo, okay, at na-finalize na natin factors, then, this is now our final answer. We have now 3x plus 1 and x plus 2. So now, di ba paano natin malalaman kung tama yung sagot natin? Simply, of course, by checking. So, FOIL method tayo. So, 3x times x, we have 3x squared. 3x times 2, we have 6x. 1 times x, we have x. 1 times 2, we have 2. Okay? Then after that, we will combine like terms. So, 6x plus x, we have now 7x. So, ibig sabihin, ang product neto is 3x squared plus 7x plus 2. Okay? So, since nakuha natin yung given, ibig sabihin, ito talaga yung pinakasagot. 3x plus 1 and x plus 2. Second given, we have 6x squared minus 7x minus 5. First, identify if the given has a common factor. So, 6, negative 7, and negative 5, may common factor ba? Wala. How about with the variables? Okay, wala din. So, since wala, second step na ulit tayo, identify the values of A, B, and C. A here is 6, B is negative 7, C is negative 5. Then after identifying the values of A, B, and C, borrow na ulit. So si 5, si C, ibaborrow niya si A. Therefore, we're going to multiply 6 times negative 5, which is equal to negative 30. Therefore, our new equation will be x squared minus 7x minus 30. Okay? So now, focus on C. So, negative 30. Or, diba, si 30 muna. So, what are the two numbers we're in? If you multiply those two numbers, the answer is 30. So, we have 1 times 30. We can also have 2 times 15. What else? We can have 3 times 10 and 5 times 6. Okay? So, after listing all the factors, what are we going to do? Add or subtract? we will subtract because the sign of C is negative. So 30 minus 1, this is 29. This is 13. This is 7. And this is 1. So, saan natin nakuha yung value ni B? Kay 3 and 10. Okay? So, now, since C is negative, therefore, our factors will be unlike signs. Diba? Isang positive, isang negative. Eh, again, ano yung rule natin doon? Yung bigger number, lagi niyang pareho ng sign si B. So, since si B ay negative, so yung bigger number dapat negative din. So, si 10, this will become negative. So, si 3 yung positive. Therefore, the factors will be x plus 3 and x minus 10. So, since nakuha na natin yung factors, ano nang gagawin natin? Pag nandito na tayo sa step, magpe-payback na tayo. So, saan natin i-divide yung second terms? Sa value ni A, which is 6. So, divide second terms by 6. Now, we have 6 over 3 and 10 over 6. Kung hindi sila madi-divide, okay, ng exact value, simplify natin kung pwede pa. So, 6 and 3, pwede pa bang masimplify? Okay, pwede pa. Kasi, both are divisible by 3. So, si 3 magiging 1, si 6 magiging 2. So, magiging x plus 1 over 2. Dito naman, 10 and 6, both can be divided by 2. So, 10 divided by 2 is 5. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, we have here now x minus 5 over 3. Since nasa simplest form na sila, and yung mga denominator natin ay hindi equal kay 1, therefore, all we need to do is to put the denominators in front of x. So, therefore, our factors will be 2x plus 1 and 3x minus 5. Before we begin with our next example, remind ko lang kayo na pwede naman magbaliktad yung factor sa, like nung sa number 2, pwede naman mauna si 3x minus 5 bago si 2x plus 1. Okay? So, third given, we have 3x squared minus 33x plus 72. Again, first step, check if they have common factors. So, we have here 3, negative 33, and 72. May common factor ba? Okay, meron. Common factor nila ay si 3. So, since may common factor sila, ipa-factor out muna natin yon. So, if we factor out 3, ano nang matitira kay 3x squared? So, 3 divided by 3 is 1, kaya magiging x squared na lang. Minus now, so 33 divided by 3, this is 11x plus 72 divided by 3 is 24. Now, if you will notice, yung na-factor out natin si 3, yung natira sa loob ng parenthesis ay quadratic trinomial pa rin, di ba? Wherein this time, si A equal na kagad kay 1. So, kapag ganito na yung lumabas, ibig sabihin, hindi mo na dyan i-apply yung borrow and payback. Okay? Doon ka na kagad, doon sa factoring wherein A equals 1. So, kay C ka na kagad, which is 24. So, what are the two numbers wherein if you multiply those two numbers, the answer is 24. Well, we can have 1 times 24. What else? 2 times 12. We can also have 3 times 8. And 4 times 6. Ano gagawin natin sa factors? Add or subtract? Okay, we will add since C is positive. So, 1 plus 24, this is 25. This is 14. This is 11. and this is 10. Saan lumabas din yung value ni B? Kay 3 and 8. Now, since positive yung sign ni C, therefore, ang factors natin ay both positive or both negative. And since yung sign ni B ay negative, ibig sabihin yung mga factors natin ay parehong negative. Therefore, ang factors nito ay x minus 3 and x minus 8. Pwede din naman mauna si x minus 8 bago si x minus 3. And do not forget yung number na pinactor out natin, which is 3. So, ibig sabihin, ang final answer kapag ganito is 3 times the quantity of x minus 3 times the quantity of x minus 8. So, that's the end of our discussion. Again, kapag may tanong kayo, i-message nyo lang ako, and mamaya, huwag kayong mahiya na mag-comment, okay, or mag-chat na talagang medyo naguguluhan pa kayo or hindi nyo to naintindihan.